Hey, in this video, Zabos Customs, we're talking 4Runners. And look what I've got. A original window sticker, personal project, 98 Toyota 4Runner SR5 four-wheel drive. What do you think this thing cost in 98? Well, we're gonna take a very much closer look at this window sticker. And Freddie here, what do you think the average selling price was for a vehicle in 1998?
In 1998, the average selling price of a vehicle in the United States was about $21,100.
Here you go, base price, four-wheel drive, four-door SR5 V6, $27,168. And then the few options, all-weather guard package, 70 bucks, Tanya cover, 85, rear heater, I didn't know that was an option, 165. And I didn't know I had front sport seats and fabric, well, cruise control, leather covered steering wheel, and shift knob. That was $685. But this one here, the preferred equipment package. So the 16x7 aluminum wheels, 265/70 tires, chrome wheel arch moldings. And look at that, I got a 410 rear diff. I like it. 13-inch front disc brakes, premium stereo, 6 speakers, power windows, and antenna. And we move on down. I can't make this out, but exterior package includes the boards and fender flares. Looks like $845. Carpeted floor mats, 83 bucks. Convenience package looks like it was $772. And then there's that pesky little security system, 400 bucks. The RS3000. That's the one giving me all the trouble. Now I have something, and maybe it'll help you to refer to. The RS3000. And a few other gems I found in the whole packet. This is the one, because this is what I got a problem with. And if you got a problem with your alarm system on an old second gen, I didn't know until I found this packet. They made the RS3000. Remote control security system designed specifically for your Toyota vehicle. And it came with an owner's guide. And this is the problem I have with mine, because after I turn it off, you can hear this subtle beep and it just won't go away, and it drains the battery. So this is even a more important find. All right, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like.